Introducing Mold Busters, your one-stop solution for post-construction cleaning. We cater to professionals across the construction industry, including architects, real estate developers, and contractors. Our comprehensive cleaning services are tailored to meet each role's specific requirements, ensuring efficiency, thoroughness, and professionalism at every step. Picture our skilled team carefully removing dust and debris, performing deep cleaning, and conducting a final inspection to guarantee spotless results. We work diligently around your schedule, minimizing disruption while providing a clean, safe, and inviting environment for your projects. Our cleaning process is simplified and efficient, consisting of a site assessment, detailed cleaning, and a final inspection to ensure every corner is spotless and ready for occupancy. Choose Mold Busters for a seamless post-construction cleaning experience. And let us help you showcase your projects with pride and confidence. Request a consultation on the link in the description box.